Hello everyone, Deb here. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. This is hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done, which is an open collaboration hosted by Jazzy over at Crafty Girl Chronicles. So please do go check her out and also use the hashtag and see who else might be participating. I know, I know there are other planner collabs out there. I just started with this one and decided to stick with it. And Crafty Girl Chronicles was in one last year run by Fashionably 50 something and beyond. And Lene decided not to do it this year. So Jazzy took it over and I've been doing it almost all year. Um, so this is what I've done. My starting point was I found these two Doodlebug wintry washi tapes. I think I used to have some paper and maybe I have one or two sheets left that went with these, but I don't think I'd ever use these tapes because they were both pretty full. Or maybe I used some of the snowflake one because it has a little less on it. Anyway, I just put the dotted one here and the snowflake one here, and then I thought, well, what else am I going to use with it? So I have this collection I got from Peachy Cheap with a like a 6x8 paper pad and these two they're Simple Stories Feel and Frosty. It says 2021 and that might be when I got it, or maybe 2022, I don't know, or maybe last year. I don't remember, but I have it. So I pulled out some of these ephemera bits and pieces. They're both ephemera bits and pieces, but this one of them is journal pieces or something. It said. I don't know now. I don't see. This is like oh yeah, journal bits and pieces, and this is just bits and pieces. Feeling frosty bits and pieces. Okay, so I pulled out some that I thought I could use. So this week, Monday's pretty typical. The planner video, which you're seeing right now, so it's done ahead of time. Mandala Mondays, that's also pre-recorded. This is the last one that's pre-recorded, so I hope you enjoy that. And then these two, as of the time I'm recording this, which is Saturday, the 14th, those haven't been done yet, so I have to do them. And Monday also, my granddaughter, youngest one, is her band concert at school is 7 p.m. Now, I did all this and then I went and checked the weather. And of course, this current week that we're in, back here December 9th through the 15th, it has been freezing cold. Like freezing. I'm below freezing most days. So, literally. So, I made this all about winter because the first day of winter falls on December 21st. But this particular week, we're going to have rain and higher temperatures up until Friday, and then it turns cold again, and then I forgot to check Saturday and Sunday. They might not be available yet on my phone. Anyway, rain expected Monday all day. And I had put grocery shop, but then I put in maybe Tuesday instead. I did some grocery shopping last week at one store. I kind of go to like a Aldi first to see what I can get cheaper. And then I go to my other store because Aldi doesn't have certain things that I like to get and my son needs or wants for work and stuff. So it's not as big a shop, but I also have a coupon for a free ham and I am going to get it when I go. So the rain is supposed to end early morning on Tuesday, so I'll probably end up going Tuesday instead and just make it a point to make jewelry all day on Monday, and then when I get tired or in the evening, I need to start wrapping presents because that was on my last week agenda, and I, as of Saturday, didn't do it yet. I think I had it on for Saturday. Yes, I did. Haven't done it yet. Just can't. I'm really struggling this year with the whole holiday. I don't know why. The tree is up. It's decorated, and the outside has the nativity out and a wreath. But I just and there's wreaths on the door, but the rest of the house is not decorated at all. And I don't have any desire to do it. I think it's partly an age thing and that all the kids are really kind of grown now. It's just, I don't know. I'm kind of in a blah. So I need to get out of my blah. Even with crafting, I'm kind of in a blah as far as Christmas and the holidays are concerned. Anyway, I digress. This is not meant to be a bummer. So Tuesday, I'm going to need to grocery shop, and I guess if I didn't finish the jewelry, I need to do that. But also, it's supposed to be 57 degrees Fahrenheit. That's unheard of in December, but it's a nice change since this week, which is, below freezing most days or right around freezing. I think today it actually went up to 34 or 35 Fahrenheit, which is 1 or 2 degrees above freezing. So, whoo, yay. And I did walk this particular day just up and down the street a couple times, but it's better than nothing. So I need to walk, and if I grocery shop, I'll get a little walking in there too because I always park further out than I need to. Sometimes I need to because it's just that crazy, and this time of year it might be. But anyway, Wednesday. The rain is to start again midday and it's going to be 51 degrees. So unless I can walk early morning, which is possible, I need to write that in actually. Walk early AM. Because lately early AMs has been like 19 degrees Fahrenheit and the other problem is wind. It's been not just cold, but windy cold. Today is the first day. Well, this morning was really cold. My daughter texted me and said, I went out and walked early this morning. Brr. It was like 19 degrees Fahrenheit, and then the wind makes it feel less. But I think I can handle it even if it's mildly windy, if it's 51 or 57 during the day, or even 30s, in the 30s in the early morning. So anyway. I also need to make Deck the Year for weeks 51 and 52. And I'm going to try and do two videos this time, one for Thursday, which I'll get to in a minute, and one for the following week, which happens to be the day after Christmas. Also, on my Dahlia Designs channel, all that jewelry I was making, which I should have had done this past week, is my noon jewelry making fun collaboration, and I am continuing that collaboration next year on my Dahlia Designs channel, and we're changing it up a little bit, so I hope you'll come watch it. It should be fun next year. It's always fun, but even more fun. I also have to make Crack the Vault, which is a collab hosted by Poet Spice, and that goes up 10 a.m. Eastern on Friday. It's the third Friday of the month, so that's here. And the idea behind that one is to use something you've had in your stash 6 months or longer and or never used. And sometimes it's both. And I have an idea for that. I have the stuff out. I just need to get it done. And my son said no cake this year, just brownies maybe. Well, I don't have any brownie stuff, so it's part of the reason I have to go to the grocery store, and I'll make them on Wednesday, hopefully. Yeah, because I want them, or I could make them possibly on Thursday morning before he wakes up. Because his birthday is Thursday, December 19th. And I won't tell you how old he'll be. And hopefully I'll have the Deck the Year video up that day so you can watch that. It'll just be one altered playing card. We have rain to end early AM and 49 degrees, so I did add in walk. Whenever I quote temperatures, it's always Fahrenheit, so if you're Celsius, you have to convert. Because I can't do that in my head. And I'd like to color 1 to 2 pages and do videos. That's for the following Monday. And I don't know if I'll have it up before or after you see this, but I'm going to be doing an announcement of a collab I'm joining with a friend, a YouTube friend, next year, which is a coloring collab. And I'm going to have to cut back on some of the other ones, and I'm working on how I'm going to do that. So we'll see. Because there's other things I want to do in 2025, and I'm already scheduled up pretty much. So yeah. Anyway, So that's all I have for Thursday is color and walk. And my son and I already talked about what he would like for his birthday dinner. So yeah. Crack the vault I already told you about. I'd like to color another 1 to 2 pages. I only have 3 due up on Monday, but that's okay. I have other ones I want to color to meet my December coloring goals. Saturday I didn't put anything. That's going to be kind of a catch-up day or a chill day to just watch Christmas movies or whatever. Or maybe do my planner again. I don't know. We'll see. So plan for the week of December 23rd to the 28th. That is going to be a hectic week because I have a feeling I'll be wrapping presents early in that week. And of course, we have Christmas Eve and Christmas Day if you celebrate that. And the 28th is my granddaughter's 12th birthday. Um, so, yeah, busy week, busy week. And my other granddaughter will be home from college. She gets home on the first day of winter or after. I don't know when her exams are, so I'm not sure. I need to clean house because I don't have it anywhere else in here, which is basically dust, vacuum, mop, you know, clean the bathroom. Yeah, all that stuff. And then in the evening, relax and watch Christmas movies. I've been doing that lately. I like the Hallmark and Hallmark Mystery channels. I have them on Hulu slash Friendly TV, which I pay like $11 a month for or something for the Friendly TV part of it. Hulu is um, not Hulu, Roku. Roku is no cost, and then except the equipment I bought initially, and then the Friendly TV though is an additional. I think it's $10.59 or something like that. Anyway, that is it. I have not put in my gratitude yet. The saying down here is by seeking and blundering, we learn. That's true. You're going to make mistakes along the way. Just try and learn from them so you don't make them again. It took me many years to figure that out. Hey, stop making the same silly mistake, you know? Anyway, life lessons. That is Johann Wolfgang von Goethe. Goethe. Didn't put my this week's top 3. It's pretty much the same. Walk at least 3 days, get it all done, because next week is busier. Have fun and take care of Callie. Callie, whole nother story. I just can't even go there. But as of today, she's eating better, and I've ordered her medicine refill because I think this one is hopefully going to work out. We'll have her tested after this next round of medicine and see. So probably in early to mid-January, I have to take her back and have her tested again. She doesn't look like she's gaining any weight, but she's definitely eating better. Just all of a sudden, as of Friday, the whatever it was, Friday the 13th. So that has actually been on my mind a lot, and I've kind of been a little bit lazy because when my son's at work, if she wants to cuddle on my lap, I let her because sometimes she's been hiding and I've been like searching all over the house for her and she's finding new hiding spots and that's not a good sign. So I'm still very worried about her, but I was very pleased that last night and Friday night and Saturday she's been eating better. So fingers crossed, everybody. Everybody, pray that my kitty gets better. Uh, Honestly, I don't know what I'd do without her. So I know it's a pet, but you know, she's my baby. She's my baby. Anyway, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.